In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to estimate your tax refund with H&R Block. We'll walk through the free H&R Block tax calculator step by step so you can quickly get a clear estimate of your refund or balance due. This is just an estimate based on what you enter, but it's a great way to plan ahead before you file. First, head to the H&R Block tax calculator website. Once you're there, click on Start My Estimate to begin. You'll see a short set of questions to create a basic picture of your situation. Enter your civil status, which means how you plan to file, such as single or married. Add your age, indicate whether your income includes wages, and let the tool know who files your taxes, whether you do it yourself or someone helps you. Honest answers here make the estimate more accurate. When those basics are in, click See My Basic Estimate. This gives you an initial snapshot based on minimal information. To refine it and make it more accurate, click Continue My Estimate. Next, select whether you have dependents. Dependents can include qualifying children or certain other relatives you support, and they can affect credits and your overall tax outcome. After that, choose how you earn income. If you're paid by an employer, that usually means wages. If you freelance or run a business, you might choose self-employment income. Pick what applies to you. Now add details about your income. Enter your total wages, your total federal tax withholdings, and any tips or overtime pay you received. Your total wages are what you earned before taxes were taken out. Federal withholdings are the amounts your employer sent to the IRS on your behalf. If you have a recent pay stub or last year's form, it can help you enter these accurately. You'll then choose between the standard deduction and itemizing deductions yourself. Most people take the standard deduction, but if your deductible expenses are higher, itemizing may make sense. The calculator will guide you either way. Next, select any credits and adjustments that apply to you, such as childcare, education, auto loan, or other expenses listed in the tool. If none of these apply, simply click. None of these apply. Only select items you actually qualify for so the estimate stays realistic. When you're ready, click Next, and you're done. The calculator will show your estimated refund or what you might owe. Review your entries and feel free to go back and adjust anything to see how changes affect your estimate. This gives you a confident starting point before you file.